Like this piece in the back is gonna be really hard to do, but I mean at least I have half of it done. Half my hair done. I'm so weird. I am such a weirdo. The heck? Why is that piece there? I don't know why. Get some of this spray. Straighten that out. I think I did it. No. Okay. I really don't want to brush my hair. But I have to or else it'll look ugly. Be a good idea to wet my hair a little bit. Because my hair kind of dried after I came back from the pool. That's good. Where's the towel? Where's the towel? Here it is. Gotta dry my hands. Oops, I got the screen wet. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's do this hair. This piece. Oh, God. Sushi. I hate fish, except for tuna fish sandwiches, but not like raw tuna. Oh God, no. Yeah. Gold. My name is Gold. My name is Poopy, but Gold. 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 My name is Gold. JK, my name is ANNA. That spells out a name. It's not a common name. It's ANNACECILIALEONE. And Cecilia Leone. Cecilia Leone. People pronounce it Anna Cecilia Leone. Actually, Anna Cecilia Leone the first. Hello. No. Oh, there we go. Dang it. Oh. That hurts. I think I got it. Yeah, that's about good. Oh, now it's time for the big chungus, which is going to be really hard to brush. Oh, wait, first, gotta empty out the brush. Ugh.
Anna?
Yeah?
Do you need the small black brush now?
No, not yet. I'm almost done though. I have one knot left to do. I just have to, no, not yet. Mom,
Check with mommy.
just to update you, I just have this knot left, and then I got all of this.
Okay.
And then I can go.
Can I do the black one? I promise I won't hurt you.
Okay.
Do you like fried calamari? Oh,
I don't know, but
Oh, that was,
I just don't love it.
that was Rosie.
No, I like it, but I like it better when
Did you like it?
not
Well, yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I tried it at
I'm pretty sure Papino's isn't that. I got a new car.
Ooh, that's
Wait, so
cool.
look, when you go fast enough,
I love butts.
the spoiler in the back, it can move up and down. Wait,
Mom, look at Eddie's license plate.
What does it say?
I love butts.
I can't read it. It's ILUVBUTS.
I love butts.
I believe you. The spoiler right here. Watch that. When I start going really fast.
Does it light up?
No. And when I brake, it moves up and
Oh.
down.
Do it again.
This car is an upgrade, so.
Do it. Do it.
What? I'm not going fast enough. I have to go faster.
Oh.
But this car's rear-wheel drive, so I can't really get much traction on this now. Well, actually, I have a 720S. I can get some.
Show me later, because I have to finish my.
My car in 720S or 650S in North Carolina.
Wait, Jake's in North Carolina?
No, last year.
Oh, I thought you meant now. Who said that?
You got what?
Oh.
You did.
No, I said it and then somebody else did. Mom, did you say it? Oh, that was you.
Can we make a moratorium saying the word mom for like half an hour?
Mom. Yeah.
No, this car doesn't have a spoiler. Oh, it does.
Ooh.
It doesn't do it though. It pops up and it doesn't.
Right.
Whatever, this car's still good.
Are you online right now?
No, I might be out. Yeah, I gotta go back to my house because I'm gonna upgrade this car. I'm turning up the snow tires and the I was doing a wheel spin and I got 3 legendaries. I got a horn, this outfit, and
What's a horn?
you know what?
Oh.
You can unlock more.
Wait, no, I didn't.
If I go to recent capture.
Oh, it says player list not available. So you're not the offline. It's not, but it's bad. It's really bad, but I'm gonna try. Mom, this is my shortest piece of hair in my head. Wait, you also found out my crack? Because I got one stuff in my head. So this is my shortest.
You got what stuff in it?
God, but it was like a long time ago. This would be hard.
Look, Daddy comes out.
No, that was me, right before my communion.
You can't just get a slice.
Wait, you can?
Well, it's not on this thing. Maybe you can go in and ask. Oh yeah, this slice is here.
Is there bread in it?
Wait, what's the pasta situation like? It's a whole bunch of choices. Can I look? No. Of course you can. I'll leave this up. Well, I'll be over there.
Oof. 10 minutes already. Not that long. It only took me like 5 minutes to do my hair. And then I started like 5 minutes ago. I need to hold my unicorn. Oh yes, this is my unicorn. She will take over for now. So you are not bored. Hello people. Okay, that's weird. Do this so you can see the unicorn better. Oh yes, twinsies! Okay. Hello, people. Hello, people. I'm the cutest animal in the earth. On the universe. Hello, people. I'm the cutest animal on earth. I'm a unicorn. I'm a rainbow unicorn. Her name is Pixie. She's a beanie girl, and her eyes are rainbow. I don't know if you can see it, but her eyes are rainbow. Let me show you. Red, yellow, green, blue. So, Jordan. I'll show you the back of her. She has rainbow hair. Pastel rainbow hair. God, how am I gonna brush this knot out? Wait. Anybody notice that knot? Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna be like, oh, I don't have to brush it out, but I kind of do, or else my dad's gonna get an hairspray and then, like, make all my hair be gone. And, like, all the girls in camp and school, they'll be like, hey, who's that again? And they'll be, like, whispering, it's the bald girl. Hey, who's that again? Oh, not Anna, the bald girl. I'm feeling. I'm gonna put hot water on my hands to make my hair wet, so I'm just gonna put this spray in. You know what? Yeah, this spray would work. Get my hands nice covered in the spray. Put in my hair. Yeah. Oh, that smells horrible. I might get my other spray for my hair. My other hairspray. It's not like hairspray, but it's spray for your hair, so it makes it wavy, but it works as like the tangler. Oh God, no! My hands are wet, slippery now. I'm gonna take a little break. Hello, people. Look at me. Look at my magical horn. I'm gonna give you superpowers. Count to 3, and I'll give you superpowers. It will be the superpower to have any superpower or anything you want. I'll give you the superpower. I'll give you the superpower for what you want, whenever you want. And it's for free. So, 1, 2, 3. Magic! 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 Okay, you got your superpower now. Bye! Actually, I'm gonna stay here to entertain you. Dang it. My head fell on the floor. I'll be right back. I have to go get it. Bye, poo-poo heads. No, I'm kidding. You're not poo-poo heads. Mama. Pepinos. Place is called Pepinos. The place is called Pepinos. Sorry, people. I'm going out to dinner because I'm upstate. We're gonna go out to dinner tonight to a place called Pepinos. I like to call it butt crack O's. something nice. Nice. I hate my hair. Why the heck? Will this stupid nut come out? Unicorn, please give me superpowers to get rid of this nut. Okay. Bye.